Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to elevate your home entertainment experience with a device that not only delivers immersive sound, but also offers the flexibility and convenience of wireless connectivity. That's exactly what the TCL Z100 Wireless Home Theater Subwoofer promises, and I'm excited to dive into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the wireless subwoofer feature. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to enhance their TV's audio without the hassle of dealing with cables. With the TCL Z100, you can place the subwoofer nearly anywhere in your room, plug it into power, and let the system automatically deliver optimized, immersive sound. No physical TV connection is needed, making it incredibly easy to set up and use. This feature is particularly useful when combined with select TCL TVs, such as the QM6K, QM7K, QM8K, and QM9K models, and the Z100 Wireless Speaker, creating a seamless and powerful audio experience. Another key feature that caught my attention is the Dolby Atmos FlexConnect technology. This technology allows the wireless subwoofer to integrate perfectly with the Z100 Wireless Speaker and select TCL TVs, delivering a simple yet immersive audio experience. Dolby Atmos is known for its ability to create a three-dimensional sound field, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. With the TCL Z100, you can enjoy this premium audio experience without the need for complex setups or expensive equipment. Whether you're watching your favorite movie, playing a game, or listening to music, the Dolby Atmos FlexConnect technology ensures that you're getting the best possible sound. Now, let's talk about the sound quality itself. The TCL Z100 features a powerful 5.25-inch woofer that enhances every beat, providing rich, balanced bass that's perfect for music, movies, and more. But what really impressed me is the 130W output power, which delivers room-filling bass that's sure to elevate your entertainment experience. Whether you're watching an action-packed movie or listening to your favorite music, the TCL Z100 has the power and depth to bring it all to life. But what about setup? We've all been there, trying to configure our home theater system, only to end up frustrated and confused. The TCL Z100 makes this process effortless with its smart calibration feature. Your TV detects the speaker placement and fine-tunes the sound to match your room, ensuring that you're getting the best possible audio experience. This feature takes the guesswork out of setup, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying your music, movies, and games. In conclusion, the TCL Z100 Wireless Home Theater Subwoofer is an impressive device that delivers on its promises. With its wireless connectivity, Dolby Atmos FlexConnect technology, powerful 5.25-inch woofer, 130W output power, and smart calibration feature, it's the perfect addition to any home entertainment system. If you're looking to elevate your audio experience and take your entertainment to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the TCL Z100. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing device.